When you work on the multifamily engineered, you get to do so much more. It's a broader scope of work. It's a different environment. You're often working on scaffolding. There are a lot of different challenges, and there's a huge opportunity to build your personal resume. If you install 4-foot by 4-foot windows all day, every day, and that's all you ever do, at some point someone's going to ask you to install a swing door and you haven't learned it. In multifamily engineered, you get to see a variety of installation methods, you get to see a variety of different products, you get to improve your carpentry skills, you get to deal with a lot of different subtrades, so you get exposure and you have much better ability of becoming a jack of all trades, but your personal resume will grow.
With the engineerings, that means we have consultants. And we have different companies like Apex, Rain Shield, BC Science, Morrison Hirschfield, and they go in and give us a scope of work that we have to follow. So when we do these things, it's just not window and door install anymore. We go to the part of recladding the whole building. We have rot repair, we reslope decks, we put up railings, we do landscaping, we do roofing areas, we rebuild. And as being owners, a lot of our guys step up and they take pride in what they do, and they know that we're doing, because if it benefits us, it benefits Centra, it benefits everybody around. So they do their best.
Projects can range from $50,000 to $5 million. We do a lot of work own forces, and that's something that's really unique within the restoration market, is that we do our own siding, we do our own carpentry work, we do our own rot repair, we do our own window and door installs and adjustments. So the homeowners, the clients, they benefit from a company that's a little bit of a one-stop shop, but anything that basically involves carpentry work and installation of windows and doors, we do ourselves. And that allows us to control schedule. The next 6 months I have a job, and I know where I'm going, and I know what I'm going to do every day. And that goes to employees being happy in what they do. A lot of people really like to have that in their life, is knowing the security of that.
We have site supers on site full times. We have safety officers, level 2s. The culture is, the main thing is when we go to the sites is safety. We're working at different heights. We're working off scaffolding, we're working off man lifts. Coach Sebastian, we're working off mast hoist. We have to have guys that are trained, so we do a lot of extra training when it comes to things along the lines of safety and using different tools and machinery. We want to give the customer the best product that we possibly can, while working and maintaining an excellent relationship with the consultants and the residents to give them the best product we can. So we're very technical, very safety oriented, and team-minded.
People on site, if they felt that the only reason the job got done was because of them, I would say no. It's the laborer, the helper, the carpenter, the site super, the project manager, the estimator, the marketing people that brought opportunity to us to tender in the first place. It's a one great big team that ends up with the actual success at the end of the day.